Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take glutathione effectively. Glutathione is a vital antioxidant, essential for detoxification and immune function. However, simply swallowing a standard pill often yields minimal benefits because stomach acids can break it down before absorption. We will explore the most effective strategies to ensure your body receives and utilizes this crucial compound. This includes specialized oral forms, precursors, and other delivery methods, helping you maximize its potential for better health. To overcome poor absorption, specialized oral forms are key. Liposomal glutathione encases the molecule in a protective fat layer, allowing it to pass through the digestive system intact and be absorbed directly into cells. Another excellent option is S-acetyl glutathione, a highly stable form that resists breakdown and is readily utilized by the body. These advanced formulations can significantly boost your glutathione levels, often by up to 100%, with common daily doses between 250 and 1,000 milligrams. Beyond direct supplementation, you can significantly boost your body's natural glutathione production. N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, is a powerful precursor, providing the building blocks your cells need to synthesize glutathione. Alpha-lipoic acid also plays a crucial role, helping to recycle and regenerate existing glutathione. Additionally, essential cofactors like selenium and vitamin C are vital for the enzymes involved in glutathione synthesis. Many find 600 to 1,200 milligrams of NAC daily to be beneficial. For more immediate or targeted effects, other delivery methods exist. Intravenous, or Roman 4, glutathione delivers the compound directly into your bloodstream, offering rapid and complete systemic absorption. Topical creams can be useful for localized skin issues, while nebulized forms may directly support respiratory health. Remember, the best approach depends on your individual needs and health goals. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional to determine the most suitable and safe method for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.